If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
I'm so excited to bring you one more unique and innovative accessory that was invented by Joseph Pilates. This is the Pilates Magic Circle, and it was designed to target and strengthen specific muscles in your neck, your arms, and your legs, while enhancing your understanding and use of your powerhouse. Now, this is the area between your pubic bone and your rib cage, front to back. It includes the stomach muscles, the muscles in the buttocks, and in your lower back. It may also be used in some exercises that you perform on your Pilates Premier or with the Pilates mat program to challenge your powerhouse and the extremities. On this videotape, I'll teach you the 16 standalone exercises which make up the daily routine to strengthen the neck and firm the arms and legs, 3 exercises on the Pilates Premier, and 11 exercises performed on